Hello everyone, welcome to Thermodynamics lectures. This is lecture number 10 about the vapor liquid equilibrium. So, what is vapor liquid equilibrium? Vapor liquid equilibrium. What is vapor liquid equilibrium? Suppose take a beaker of water. This is liquid water. This is liquid water. Liquid water. Now give some heat to it. Give some heat to it. Some vapor will form on the surface of the liquid water. So as we increase the temperature of this liquid water, more and more water vapor will form on the surface of liquid water. A time will reach when the rate of evaporation will be equal to the rate of condensation. So at this stage we will call that this system is reached to a dynamic equilibrium. So this is a simple example about the vapor liquid equilibrium. So this is the vapor, these are the vapor, water vapor of water, and this is the liquid water present in the container. So first of all we took water in a beaker. We give some heat to the liquid water. When the temperature of the liquid water increased, some of the liquid water molecule converted into vapor, and vapor formed above the surface of the liquid water, which is called the vapor of water. Now as the time increases, more and more water vapor will form in the above space. Now a time will reach when the rate of evaporation will be equal to the rate of condensation. Then at this time we will call that this system is in dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium. So we will say that the system is in dynamic equilibrium, and this is called the vapor liquid equilibrium. The vapor liquid equilibrium on the T graph will be look like this is the pressure and this is the temperature. So you know that this is the solid. This is the solid. This is the solid. This is the solid. This is the liquid, and this is the vapor. So solid, when solid is converted into vapor, we call it sublimation. When solid is converted into liquid, we call it melting, and when liquid is converted into vapor, we call it vaporization. So we will discuss this equilibrium line. This equilibrium line on the PT graph, which is called the vapor. We will discuss this line. This is called the vapor liquid equilibrium. So we will discuss this line, vapor liquid equilibrium, in this example. So this is just a simple example about the vapor liquid equilibrium. Now suppose took another beaker of liquid water in a beaker. is the liquid water molecule. So water molecule, water, liquid water. The water is in liquid state. Now put this beaker in a large beaker of hot water. So this is a large beaker of hot water. So this is the hot water which is at higher temperature. So the heat will transfer from this hot beaker, hot water, to the cold water. So suppose the temperature of this cold water is T1 and the temperature of the hot water is T2. So heat will transfer from T2 to T1. So so there is a question that whether the water vapor will form in this beaker or not. So as the this small beaker is full of water and there is no space available for water vapor. So this small beaker is full of water and there is no space available for water molecule to go there. So in this case there will be no water vapor will form in this case. So this water will be heated, but there is no space available for water molecule to vaporize. So there is no water vapor will form. So this will be that the whole container will be heated. The whole container, this whole liquid water will be heated, but no water vapor will form because there is no space available to the water vapor in this small container. So in this case the beaker is full of liquid water and there is no space available for water vapor to form. So in this case no water vapor will form in this case. Similarly, took another example. Now take water. Similarly, take water. This is suppose this is water, liquid water. This is the liquid water. And this is the vacuum. Now put this whole container in hot water. This is the hot water. So heat will transfer from the hot water to the liquid cold water. So in this case there will be water vapor will form. Because there is a space available for water vapor to go there. So in this case, suppose this is the hot water and this is the cold water. So when we heat this cold water, the temperature of the cold water will increase, and after certain time some water vapor will form above the liquid water. These are the water vapor. So in this case a space is available, this whole space is available for water vapor. So in this case water vapor will form above the surface of the liquid water, and this is the water vapor is formed in this case, and this is the liquid water. Water is in liquid phase and the water is in vapor phase above the liquid water. So in this case the water vapor is formed. Now because there is open space available for water vapor to go in this case. So these are some simple example related to water vapor in our systems. So thank you very much for your attention. If you are new to the channel, please like and